Today I will discuss the topic of conversion. This is the most important point for the ICSE, JAM and other competition exams such as IB, JAM, NEET and class 12 and 11 classes. We are discuss the first point, increment of carbon atom. Increment, the carbon number are increasing. Carbon number are increasing. First point is consider them. This example for methane to ethane. Methane to ethane. Write first formula of the methane, first atom of the carbon, and completely valency of 4. So adding the single valency of the hydrogen atom are attached for the carbon atom. The molecules is this CH4. The molecules is CH4. Convert in this CH3 and the CH3. First, note it down. CH4 molecules. Activation of the CH4 molecules. The activation of the CH4 molecules is the halogenation. The presence of the halide. Halide may be chlorine, halide may be iodine, halide may be bromine. Not contain the fluorine atom because the high electronegativity atom 4.0. So basically you are using the chlorine is preferred. The simplest halogen and fastly react. And presence of the sunlight represented by the SU. So the hydrogen atom are removing and the Cl atom are removing, and the formation of the haloalkane. Haloalkane. Right. The other name is a alkyl halide. Okay. Right. The first CH4 molecule are containing, and this process is a halogenation. Halogenation. Right. The again CH4 molecules are converted into the CH3Cl. The CH3Cl molecules and the final formation of this CH3 and CH3. So one CH3 are less, adding of the one CH3. Then the reaction name is the Wurtz reaction. So this reaction react with sodium metal and alkyl halide. The need of alkyl halide only on one CH3. So the alkyl group is CH3 and halide group is Cl. Same type of alkyl halide react with the sodium metals and presence of ether. This reaction is known as Wurtz reaction. Wurtz reaction. Wurtz reaction applicable of haloalkane react with the haloalkane with presence of the sodium metal. This is the aliphatic haloalkane. The combine of CH3 and CH3 and 2 NaCl are removing in this reaction. So the CH3 and CH3 are combined in formation of the ethane. Right? This is a increment of carbon atom. The one just double carbon atom, so using the Wurtz reaction means if one carbon atom convert to the two carbon atom, first is halogenation and second is Wurtz reaction. Another thing, if the carbon atom is 1, initial time and the final time of the carbon atom are 3, so this reaction are changed. First, as example, methane to propane conversion. Okay, right now the first carbon are converted to the third carbon. Okay, so first is containing the CH4 molecules. Firstly, same type of this chlorination with presence of the sunlight. Convert is this CH3 Cl, right? Then Wurtz reaction CH3 molecules and again CH3 molecules with the presence of ether. CH3 molecules and CH3 molecules are formed. Right? Same previous. Again CH3 molecules and CH3 molecules is ethane, but need of the one carbon atom. The molecules is the propane or this molecules of ethane. So only on one carbon are need. So this reaction are again activation Cl2 and sunlight, then CH3, CH2 and then Cl. If a Bush reaction are applied, the product is 4 number of the carbon, but the product are coming only on 3 carbon atom is propane. So Bush reaction are not applicable in this process. Again the reaction are using of Corey-House reactions. Corey-House reaction with the presence of the copper, iodide and lithium, and the need of the alkyl halide are reaction. So the alkyl halide is mentioned this. The one only on alkyl group are need. So this CH3 and the Cl. This reaction is known as Corey-House reaction. Corey-House reaction. Corey-House reaction of the even number of the carbon atom are participate in this molecules, or odd number of the molecules are participate. So these two things are observed. So when applicable of the Corey-House reaction, if the odd number of the carbon atoms such as 1, 2 and 3, this is the 3 number is odd number, are adding with each other and then form of CH3, CH2 and CH3. This is the propane molecule. The two things are observed. If 2 to 4 carbon atom, then use the Bose reaction. If 2 to 5 carbon atom, then apply first Bose reaction and then Corey-House reaction. This is the two conversion. Okay, right? Thank you.